Assalamualaikum. 안녕하세요. Hello. 여기 오신 것을 환영합니다. Welcome here. 저는 Usman입니다. I'm Usman. 저는 의학사입니다. I'm pharmacist. 저는 파키스탄에서 왔습니다. I'm from Pakistan. 그럼에도 불구하고 저는 언어를 배우고 있습니다. Nevertheless, I'm learning different languages. 저는 한국어로 배우고 있습니다. I am learning Korean language. This is my day 21 of practicing Korean language, as it is slightly different for me as I'm from Pakistan, and its structure, its grammatical, its words are really different from Urdu language, so it is different for me, and I am practicing again and again almost same sentences, and I am doing the same thing almost in every video with slight differences, so that I may advance myself in practicing Korean language. This is my day 21, and in this day I have an ayah from Surah Ar-Rahman, Surah number 55, ayat number 3. It is Gubunun Inganul Changjuhasa. It means He created mankind. It refers to Allah. Allah created mankind. In this sentence, Gubun means He, and Ingan means human or mankind. This is short video. Today I have made a short video, but I may say that we may collaborate with each other in learning these languages. If you want to learn Urdu language, you may contact me, as I want to learn Korean language, so we may help each other in learning these languages, and we may collaborate with each other. Kamsahamnida. Thank you. Jazakumullahu khair.